Hi everyone, I'm Linus. Today we're going to talk about Copilot. Copilot is like a helpful friend for Microsoft Office. It can help you write better, work faster, and do more. It's great for beginners. Copilot uses AI, which stands for Artificial Intelligence. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it sounds. AI just means Copilot can understand and learn from you. Ready to get started? Let's go. First things first, we need to get Copilot on your computer. This is an essential step to start using this powerful tool that will assist you in various tasks. This process is called downloading and installing. Think of it like getting a new app on your phone. Just like you would download a game or a social media app, we are going to do the same for Copilot. Open your web browser. This is what you use to browse the internet. It could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you prefer. Go to the Copilot website. You can find the link on the Microsoft website. Simply type in the URL or search for Copilot download in your search engine. Look for the download button. It might say, download or get Copilot. This button is usually prominently displayed on the home page or in the download section. Click the download button. Once you click it, the download process will begin. Depending on your internet speed, this might take a few moments. After the download is complete, locate the downloaded file. It is usually in your Downloads folder. Double-click the file to start the installation process. Follow the instructions on the screen. The installation wizard will guide you through the steps. Just click Next and you're good to go. You might be asked to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure to read them carefully before clicking Agree. You may also be prompted to choose installation preferences. Select the options that best suit your needs. The installation process will take a few minutes. You will see a progress bar indicating how much time is left. Once the installation is complete, you will see a message confirming that Copilot has been successfully installed. Now, you can open the Copilot application. Look for the Copilot icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. When you open Copilot for the first time, you might need to sign in with your Microsoft account. Enter your credentials and sign in. Congratulations, you have successfully downloaded and installed Copilot. Take some time to explore the interface and familiarize yourself with its features. If you need help getting started, there are plenty of tutorials and guides available online. These resources can help you make the most out of Copilot. Now, you're ready to start using Copilot to assist you in your tasks. Whether it's for work, study, or personal projects, Copilot is here to help you every step of the way. Now that Copilot is on your computer, let's find it in Microsoft Office. Open a Microsoft Office app. This could be Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Look for the Copilot icon. It might be a small robot or the word Copilot. Click on the icon. This will open the Copilot pane. That's it, you found Copilot. Now let's make it work for you. Before we start using Copilot, let's make sure it's set up the way you like. Open the Copilot settings. You can usually find this in the Copilot pane. Choose your language. Copilot can work in many languages. Adjust the tone of voice. Do you want Copilot to be formal or informal? Save your changes. Click OK or Apply to save your settings. Now Copilot is personalized for you. Copilot in Word. Write smarter, not harder. Copilot can help you write better documents in Word. Imagine having a personal assistant who understands your writing style and helps you enhance it. That's what Copilot offers. First, start typing your document just like you normally would. Whether it's a report, an essay, or a creative piece, begin with your own words. Then, ask Copilot for help. You can type a question or command like write a summary of this paragraph. It's like having a co-writer who is always ready to assist. Copilot will suggest text and you can choose to use it or not. The suggestions are tailored to fit your writing style and the context of your document. This means you maintain control over your work while benefiting from intelligent recommendations. Copilot can also check your grammar and spelling, suggest better words, and rewrite sentences to make them clearer. Imagine never having to worry about typos or awkward phrasing again. Copilot ensures your writing is polished and professional. It can even help you with formatting. making sure your document looks as good as it reads. Additionally, Copilot can help you brainstorm ideas. Stuck on how to start a paragraph or need inspiration for a conclusion? Just ask Copilot. It can provide you with creative prompts and ideas to get your writing flowing. With Copilot, you're not just writing, you're crafting a masterpiece with the help of advanced AI. It's like having a seasoned editor and a creative partner rolled into one. So next time you sit down to write, remember, you don't have to do it alone. Write smarter, not harder, with Copilot in Word. Copilot in Excel. Taming your data. Copilot can make working with data in Excel a breeze. First, select the data you want to work with. This could be numbers, dates, or text. Then ask Copilot a question. For example, what is the average of these numbers? Copilot will give you the answer. It can even create charts and graphs for you. Copilot can also find trends in your data, identify outliers, and create formulas for you. Copilot in PowerPoint presentations made easy. Copilot can help you create stunning presentations in PowerPoint. Start a new presentation or open an existing one. Ask Copilot to help with the design. For example, suggest a template for a business presentation. Copilot will give you options to choose from. Copilot can also write speaker notes for you, create animations and transitions, and find relevant images and videos. Troubleshooting when things go wrong. Sometimes Copilot might not work as expected. Don't worry, here are some things you can try. Check your internet connection. Copilot needs internet to work properly. Make sure Copilot is up to date. You can usually check for updates in the settings. Restart the Office app. Sometimes a simple restart can fix the problem. Contact Microsoft support. If you're still having trouble, they can help you. Remember, everyone needs a little help sometimes. Copilot tips and tricks. Become a power user. Here are some tips to get the most out of Copilot. Be specific with your prompts. The more specific you are, the better Copilot can understand you. For instance, if you're working on a coding project, instead of saying, "Help me with this code," try saying, "Help me debug this Python script that calculates the Fibonacci sequence." This level of detail helps Copilot provide more accurate and useful assistance. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different prompts and see what Copilot can do. You might be surprised at the range of tasks it can handle. From drafting emails to generating complex algorithms, experimenting with various commands can reveal hidden functionalities. For example, you can ask Copilot to draft a business proposal or even create a social media content calendar. The more you explore, the more you'll discover its capabilities. Use Copilot for repetitive tasks. Let Copilot handle the boring stuff so you can focus on the creative parts. Whether it's scheduling meetings, sending follow-up emails, or generating routine reports, Copilot can take these mundane tasks off your plate. This frees up your time and mental energy for more strategic and creative endeavors. Imagine having an assistant that never gets tired and can work around the clock to ensure your tasks are completed efficiently. Provide feedback to Copilot. The more you use it, the better it will become. Remember, practice makes perfect. Your feedback is crucial for its improvement. If you encounter any issues or have suggestions, don't hesitate to share them. This continuous loop of usage and feedback helps in refining the AI, making it more attuned to your specific needs. Over time, you'll notice that Copilot becomes more intuitive and aligned with your workflow, making it an indispensable tool in your daily routine. Conclusion: unlocking the power of Copilot. Congratulations! You've learned how to use Copilot in Microsoft Office. You can now write better documents in Word, analyze data in Excel, and create stunning presentations in PowerPoint. Keep exploring Copilot and see what else it can do for you. Happy Copiloting!